Today we are in Jumeirah Beach Residence having a look at this duplex. Initially was a 1-bedroom, but could potentially be converted into a 3-bedroom with some clever design. So one of the biggest selling points, of course, is the open sea view where you can see the Ain Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, Emaar Harbour. The property was in process of having a renovation, but clearly the owner decided to stop that. Onto the left, potential to convert this into a bathroom, maid's room and laundry room. Do have partial views of the Dubai Marina. This would be the kitchen area. Again, partial views of Dubai Marina from here. Plenty of ceiling height to work with. This was initially the master bedroom. The standard layout is 2,100 square feet. As I said, with some clever design, you could get 3 bedrooms in here with a mezzanine floor, which would take it to somewhere around 3,000 square feet.